Hi students, today 12th standard specimen question paper, short type of question, part 6, 6 number class. Here 10 short type of question is given. I am trying to solve all the questions and from 46 to 55. Sum number 46, integration dx x minus alpha beta minus x. Let x minus alpha equals to z, then dx equals to dz, then x equals to z plus alpha, then beta minus x equals to beta minus alpha plus z, that is beta minus alpha minus z. Now put it here, dx value is dz, x minus alpha is z, and beta minus alpha, beta minus x is beta minus alpha minus z. This is z square. Then dx equals to 2z dz. Then this is z square, and this is 2z dz. 2 is outside, z cancel, dz. Let beta minus alpha equals to k square take. This is k square minus z square, that is 2 sine inverse z, 2 sine inverse z by k plus c, that is 2 sine inverse z means root over of x minus alpha, and k means k is root over of beta minus alpha plus c. That is the answer of the question number 46. Next, question number 47. Question number 47 is y equals to tan inverse root over of 1 plus x square plus 1 by x. You have to find dy by dx. Now let's put x equals to tan theta, then theta equals to tan inverse x, then y equals to tan inverse 1 plus tan square theta sec square theta, that is only sec theta, plus 1 by tan theta equals to tan inverse. Sec means 1 by cos, that is 1 plus cos theta by cos theta, can be sine by cos, that is only sine theta. Then doing sub multiple angle, tan inverse 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2, and sine theta is 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 equals to 2 cancel, cos and cos square cancel, that is tan inverse cot theta by 2 equals to tan inverse, cot means tan pi by 2 minus theta by 2 is cot theta by 2, that is pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Then y equals to pi by 2 minus half of theta means tan inverse x. Then dy by dx equals to minus half, the pi by 2 in differential is 0, tan inverse derivative 1 by 1 plus x square, that is dy by dx of the given sum, differentiation of the given sum. Then sum number 48. Question number 48. Integration root over of a minus x by a plus x. Multiply a minus x numerator and denominator dx. Integration, that is a minus x by root over of a square minus x square dx. that is a outside root over of a square minus x square minus integration x dx by root over of a square minus x square. This is sine inverse x, that is a sine inverse x by a. Put a square minus x square equals to z square, that is minus 2x dx equals to 2z dz. Cancel, that is this should be plus, minus x dx is z dz, z dz by, this is z square means only z, that is a sine inverse x by a plus z, z means root over of a square minus x square plus c. That is the answer of the given integration. Next, sum number 49. 49, question number 49 is solved by matrix method. Question number 49, here A equals to 2, 3 and 3, 4 and B is 23, 32 and let x equals to xy. So we have to take solution of the given equation by matrix method. You know x equals to a, here ax equals to b, then x equals to a inverse b. What is first to get A inverse? A inverse is 1 by mod A into adjoint of A. What is mod A? Modulus 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9 equals to minus 1. And adjoint of A equals to adjoint of the matrix A. This diagonal interchange, this diagonal sign change. That is 4 to minus 3 minus 3. Adjoint of A, I am telling again, A is this, the adjoint of A, this diagonal interchange, it is 2 into 2 matrix and this diagonal sign change. Then x equals to A inverted value 1 by minus 1, 4 minus 3, 2 into A inverse B, B value is 23, 32. Then multiply, that is minus. This in this part is 4 to the 8 minus 9. This into 23 into 4, 92. 92. This into this plus this into this minus 96. This into this 69 minus 69. This is 2. This into this plus this into this plus 64 equals to minus, this is minus 4, this is minus 5, that is 4, 5. So x equals to 4, 5. The solution is x equals to 4, y equals to 5. That is the solution of the given sum. X equals to 4, y equals to 5. Next, sum number 50. Sum number 50, evaluate. Question number 50. It is value of this expression, limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x. This is by L'Hospital rule. You have to find value of this is coming 0 by 0 form, because x value is 0, cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1, 0 by 0. That is 0 by the by L'Hospital rule, Hospital's rules. L'Hospital rule, to differentiate it, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus 1 differentiate is 0 minus cos x differentiate minus sin x, that is only sin x, plus sin x by this is x square, this is x square by 2x Again put x value 0, sin 0 is 0, 0 there, again 0 by 0 form. By Hospital's rule, limit x tends to 0, again differentiate, sin x derivative is cos x, x derivative is 1, that is 2. Now put the value, cos 0 is 1 equals to 1 by 2. The value of this expression is half. Next, sum number 51. 51 is integration 0 definite integral sum dx 1 plus root over of tan x means sin x by cos x. Sin x cos by cos x. Root over of cos x. Equals to 0 to pi by 2 dx, do addition root over of cos x plus root over of sin x by root over of cos x go up. Now using property, this dx 0 to pi by 2, this is definite integral sum property, using property equals to cos root over of cos pi by 2 minus x by root over of cos pi by 2 minus x plus root over of sin pi by 2 minus x dx equals to limit integration 0 to pi by 2. Let this is I. 0 to pi by 2 root of this is sin x, that is root over of sin x. This is equation number, let this is equation number 1. Root over of sin x by root over of sin x plus root over of this is pi by 2 minus x root over of cos x dx. 2. Adding 1 plus 2, this and this add, that is 0 to pi by 2 root over of sin x plus cos x LCM, root over of sin x plus root over of cos x LCM, then root over of cos x by root over of sin x, that is root over of cos x plus root over of, that is root over of sin x plus root over of cos x dx. This and this LCM is this, then cos x plus sin x, this and this cancel, that is 0 to pi by 2 dx, that is x, 0 to pi by 2, that is pi by 2 minus 0, then 2i is pi by 2, then I is pi by 4. That is the value of this integration. Sum number 51. Next, sum number 52. 52, it is a differentiation sum, question number 52. Y equals to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. We have to prove this. Now put x equals to tan theta. Put x equals to tan theta, then theta equals to tan inverse, let x equals to tan theta, tan inverse x. Keep it, put it here. Y equals to sin inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan theta 1 plus tan square theta value you know, sin 2 theta equals to sin inverse sin 2 theta. Value of this is sin 2 theta, that is 2 theta, that is 2 theta is tan inverse x. Then dy by dx, differentiating dy, y equals to this 2 tan inverse derivative 1 by 1 plus x square, that is the, that then 1 plus x square dy by dx equals to 2 root. That's all. Next, sum number 53. Sum number 53 is integration sum Question number 53, integration cos x dx by sin x plus root over of sin x. Here, root over of sin x should be taken as z square. That is sin x equals to, let z square. Then differentiating cos x dx equals to 2z dz. Put it here. 2 is outside. Z dz. Sin x is z square. That is z square plus sin root over of sin is z. That is 2z dz. Here is z common. Z plus 1. Z cancel. That is 2 dz by z plus 1. That should be log z plus 1. That is 2 log of z plus 1. That is 2 plus 1 plus c, where c is arbitrary constant. 2 log z এর value root over of sin x plus 1 plus c. That is the answer of the integration, value of the integration. Sum number 54. Question number 54. Find the modulus. Question number 54. Sin 6 pi. We can write sin 2 into 3 pi by 5, 6 pi, plus 1 minus cos 6 pi is 1 minus cos 2 into 3 pi by 5. This should be treated as theta. Sin 2 theta, 2 sin 3 pi by 5 cos 3 pi by 5 sin 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta, 2 sin square 3 pi by 5. Now take 2 sin 3 pi by is common. 2 sin 3 pi by 5 is common. That is cos 3 pi by 5 plus cos 3 pi by 5 plus, here is I. Here is I. Plus I, 2 sin I sin 3 pi by 5. That should be R cos theta plus I sin theta form. Cos theta plus I sin theta form. Here R equals to modulus and amplitude. R is this 2 sin 3 pi by 5 and amplitude is this. Amplitude theta equals to 3 pi by 5. Here we can get another way. Amplitude theta equals to tan inverse B by A. That is sin 3 pi by 5 by cos 3 pi by 5. That is tan inverse tan 3 pi by 5. That is 3 pi by 5. Amplitude is 3 pi by 5 and modulus is 2. Here modulus is 2. Modulus R is 2 and amplitude is 3 pi by 5. Theta is tan inverse B by, this is B by A. Next sum number 55. Question number 55. Solution dy by dx minus e to the power x plus y equals e to the power x minus y. This is coming right hand side, that is plus e to the power x plus y. We can write e to the power x by e to the power y plus e to the power x into e to the power y. Do addition, e to the y LCM, e to the power x plus e to the power x e to the power 2y. Then e to the power x common, e to the power 2y plus 1 by e to the power y. This is dy by dx. Now e to the power y coming up, e to the power y, e to the power 2y plus 1 dy